Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you beautiful denim crafts ideas. I will share you viewers. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is viewers. I hope you viewers enjoy my video. So let's start today's video. I will show you viewers. So viewers, don't throw away your old jeans, turn them into beautiful and useful handmade creation. Denim is a strong and stylish fabric that can be transformed into countless amazing craft projects. In today's video, we are sharing some of the best denim crafts ideas that are both easy to make and perfect for home decoration, gifts, and everyday use. Older denim can become stylish tote bags, cut coins, purse, table runners, and placement, storage basket, cushions, cover, wall organizer, plant holder, keychains, coaster, and apron. With just a pair of scissors, needle, and thread, and a little creative, your unused jeans can get a brand new life. These handmade denim crafts are friendly, budget-friendly, travel whether you are a beginner on any craft. Denim projects are fun and rewarding to create. Handmade denim items also make thoughtful gifts for friends and family. They are roasted and givers. Texture and unique look add charm to every piece. And dear friends, friends. Recycle our cloth into beautiful crafts in a wonderful way. Reduce waste and protect the environment. And viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, Allah Hafiz.